Good news for once. Sora, OpenAI's video slop generator, was permanently shut down yesterday after being available to the public for less than a year. Is it because OpenAI and Sam Altman grew a conscience and realized the damage it was doing to society? Hell no. It's because OpenAI was losing a crap ton of money on it. But hey, a win is a win, and we take those. I will not miss the AI slop. The story's pretty interesting though. OpenAI made the decision to shut down Sora pretty suddenly, and actually blindsided Disney, who had made a partnership with them to add Disney characters to Sora. Disney was going to invest $1 billion into OpenAI and put their characters on the platform. The two companies were actually in a meeting discussing the project just the day before, and then 30 minutes after the meeting, Disney found out that Sora was getting shut down the next day and was blindsided. The entire decision to shut Sora down is a very pragmatic business decision by OpenAI. Sora came out with a bang and had more than 1 million daily active users when it launched. But usage peaked a few months later, and downloads have been down 70% since November, and daily active users have fallen 34%. And beyond that declining user traction, Forbes estimated that OpenAI was losing $15 million a day just to run Sora. The whole app was a massive money pit used to power people making stupid cat videos and brain rot abominations like this. The head of Sora even admitted that the economics were completely unsustainable. So OpenAI internally had been looking to switch directions. The company's CEO of applications said last month to OpenAI staff that, quote, "We cannot miss this moment because we are distracted by side quests. We really have to nail productivity in general, and particularly productivity on the business front." To translate that from corporate jargon into English, they've basically realized that there's not a whole lot of money in selling AI to individual consumers. The enterprise business is where the company is going to live or die. Not many consumers are willing to pay money for AI. They just use the free options. For context, consumer AI revenue is expected to be $12 billion in 2026. Not bad, obviously, in a vacuum, but if you compare that to the $500 billion the industry is expected to spend that year, that's basically nothing. So because of that, OpenAI is transitioning to a more enterprise and business focus. Now, why are they doing it so suddenly and shutting down the more consumer-focused applications? Well, it's because they got no money and they are getting desperate. OpenAI may be a private company, but we have a pretty good idea of their revenue and total losses based on what they've said both publicly and from Microsoft's earnings reports. And well, the numbers aren't great. Since Microsoft is one of OpenAI's largest investors and owns roughly a 27% stake of the company, the performance of their investment is something we can see. And based on that, OpenAI managed to lose $12 billion in just 3 months. That's one of the biggest quarterly losses for a tech company in history. Meanwhile, OpenAI is estimated to have brought in just $13 billion for the full year in 2025. You can do the math there if you want, but I'll cut to the chase for you. They lost nearly as much money in one quarter as they expect to sell in revenue for the full year. Doesn't seem like a great business model to me. And that's why Sora is getting shut down. It's a good day now that one AI slop video generator is being shut down. We've got a few more AI slop machines to go, but it's a good sign that some of the air is finally starting to come out of the AI bubble. For a better look into just how deep the AI bubble goes, check out my video on it linked here. Or you can check out my video on how AI slop is slowly destroying the AI models themselves, linked here. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more business and finance content, and let me know your thoughts on Sora shutting down in the comments below.